Not that many people seem excited about the iPhone 20 Pro, and that raises an interesting question. Should Apple actually be worried? The idea of Apple's first truly all-screen iPhone sounds groundbreaking on paper, but recent reactions suggest the excitement may not be as strong as expected. Even though we are still about 8 months away from the announcement of the iPhone 18 lineup, rumors about the iPhone 20 series are already everywhere. These rumors describe a bold redesign that removes notches, bezels, punch holes, and even the dynamic island. For some people, that sounds like a dream device. But according to a recent survey, the response has been surprisingly mixed. In a poll of nearly 1,000 readers, only 33% said they are truly ready for a redesigned iPhone with no screen cutouts. Another 7% said they are unsure, while 97% said they feel nothing at all about the idea. That is not exactly the reaction you would expect for what could be the biggest iPhone design change in years. This is especially surprising because Apple users have been living with notches and cutouts for a long time. Android manufacturers, on the other hand, have already moved much closer to the all-screen vision. Many high-end Android phones today have extremely thin bezels and tiny hole-punch cameras that are barely noticeable. Because of that, an all-screen design would likely feel like a much bigger upgrade for iPhone users than for Android users. That makes the low excitement level even more puzzling. One would expect far more than 1/3 of people to be excited about the first truly redesigned iPhone since the iPhone 14 Pro introduced the dynamic island back in 2022. So is it time for Apple to panic? Probably not. It is still very early, and the iPhone 20 Pro is not expected to launch until 2027. Apple is rumored to skip a number after the iPhone 18 series to mark the 20th anniversary of the iPhone in a big way. That is why the iPhone 20 Pro and 20 Pro Max are expected to arrive a year earlier than some people think. This also explains why the dynamic island is rumored to disappear in 2027 instead of 2026. Apple likely wants the all-screen design to be part of the anniversary celebration. That means Apple still has around 20 months to build excitement and convince more people that this redesign is worth caring about. With that much time, it should be possible to raise the excitement level well above the current 34%. At the same time, it may be difficult to win over everyone. Some people may genuinely prefer having bezels. They can make a phone easier to hold and reduce accidental touches. Others may simply be uncomfortable with major design changes. That could explain why nearly 29% of survey respondents said they are not excited at all. This group may never be convinced, no matter how advanced the technology becomes. And that might be one reason why Apple is rumored to be considering a split-release strategy for future iPhones. One possible scenario is that Apple launches the radical iPhone 20 Pro in 2027, followed by a more traditional iPhone 20 with a familiar design in early 2028. This would allow Apple to satisfy both adventurous buyers and those who prefer a classic look. So should you rethink your feelings about the iPhone 20 Pro? Not necessarily. But it may be worth looking beyond just the all-screen design. Apple is unlikely to celebrate the iPhone's 20th anniversary with only cosmetic changes. There could be major camera upgrades, improved battery life, or thinner and lighter designs that still manage to last longer. Apple may also introduce new technologies that we have not even heard about yet. Talking about a device that is still more than a year and a half away leaves a lot of room for imagination. Right now, excitement may be low, but that can change quickly. When it comes to Apple, nothing is ever final until the product is in people's hands.